Hi there, Michele Marsland of Marsland Accountants. At Marslands, we specialise in the Let Property campaign and have been doing now for nearly 8 years, since the campaign started actually. I've been doing my videos now for getting on for a year as well actually, so it's been quite a journey really, especially during COVID as well. But I just wanted to quickly talk about this week about the Let Property campaign and what's been happening actually, and I've noticed it. I mean, we're quite a small practice in Devon, and I've noticed just in the last, 3 or 4 weeks of January, we've had more inquiries for the Let Property campaign than we have for the previous year. Now, I know some of it's to do with my little videos, I have to say, that obviously getting that reach across the country and across the world, because people who move from the UK sometimes leave a property here and they need to declare it just like anybody else does. I'm finding that I am getting a lot more inquiries. Now, it's not just about my videos, as much as I'd like to think it isn't just about my videos. It's also about the fact that HMRC are increasing their reach a bit more. So one, they're looking for people, basically just for landlords who've got a property in their name or more than one property in their name. They're using their Connect computer to come up with those people. They use like electrician certificates, all sorts of things. So I'll go into those in more detail in another video. But if they found you, they often send you a letter saying, we think you've got a property. Yeah, that's normally how they do it. But also we found a lot of people during lockdown have thought, oh, I really could do doing something about this now. And so they decide to declare their property. But what they do is they ring up HMRC and they just say they just need it from now. No, you need it going back to when it started. Yeah. So you don't just need the 1920 tax return to go in, you need to submit all of your income. And that's where the Let Property campaign comes into it. Right. Even if you've got losses, and if you want to use those losses brought forward, then you need to declare it. All right. So you can't just, ignore the rest of that period. So yeah, so that's what's been happening. But we found that one of the biggest problems that when people think, oh, I need to declare it, is they don't know where to start. And that's where, to be fair, we are a great place to start. You can look up the Let Property campaign on HMRC's website, and it is all there, to be fair, but it's not easy to understand if you're not used to doing forms. Then it's not an easy thing to understand. And there are different forms, there's different things you have to make decisions on and such like. So yeah, so if you're thinking, oh my goodness, where do I start? I would start with some of my videos if you want to try and have a go at yourself, or if not, give us a call on 01752 344 582, and we will then give you an idea of what information we need from you and roughly how much it's going to cost. We don't charge anything until we start we told you what we're going to be charging. All right, so don't worry about that either. But we have to be fair, we have to get quite a bit of information from you to understand what our fee quote is going to be, because it depends on how much you're going to do compared to how much we're going to do, and also how much we're going to potentially save you. If you come up with a rough idea of how much tax you think you're going to pay, that'd be great, because I can tell you how much I think I can save you. Yeah, so 2021, I suspect there will be more and more Let Property campaigners coming forward. So yeah, if that's you, don't worry, you are not alone. There's just over 1 million of you according to HMRC. So yeah, time to shine.